In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add radio button in Forms Webflow. First, open your Webflow project so we're looking at the page where you want the form to live. With the designer open, use the highlighted control to reveal the Add interface. From there, open the Elements section. This is where all the building blocks live, including form components. Inside Elements, locate the Forms category. Open it, then use the Forms options to insert a radio option into your layout. If you already have a form block on the page, place the radio inside that form. If not, drop in a form block first, then add the radio option so everything is structured correctly. Now, select the newly added radio element by clicking the highlighted area on the canvas. Click the label next to the radio and type the choice text you want users to see. Clear, concise labels make forms easier to understand and improve accessibility. When you're done, click the highlighted area again to confirm the change and exit the text edit state. Next, move over to the Style panel. Start with the default state so you're styling the base look. This is where you can adjust layout, spacing, and typography for the label, and set the size and alignment of the radio control. If you want to override the standard browser appearance, switch from default to custom. This lets you fully control how the radio looks while maintaining expected behavior. Keep contrast high and hit sizes comfortable so users can select options easily. With the radio selected, open the element settings and turn on Required if you need at least one choice before submission. Required is useful for critical questions, but only enable it when it's truly necessary. Click Show All Settings to expand additional options. This is where you can review the radio's name and value, which determine how the selection is grouped and what gets sent with the form. Remember, radio buttons work in groups. Any radios sharing the same name act as a single choice set. Before wrapping up, toggle between the tabs at the top: Style for appearance, Settings for configuration, and Interactions if you want the radio or its container to respond to user actions with subtle animations. Keep interactions minimal on form controls so usability stays strong. When everything looks and works the way you want, click Publish. Once the site is live, visit the page, select a radio option, and submit a quick test to make sure the required setting, labels, and values are behaving as expected.